Hello everybody, welcome to the Chainsaw Channel. My name's Aaron. It's going to be my first video, and I am just going to sharpen my axe and talk about what I see for this channel, what I hope to do, what I hope to say. So this is going to be, it's going to be interesting. I've never actually done anything like this as thoroughly as I plan to do it. So I have some big ideas, some big plans, and yeah, alright, well, let's get this bad boy all tuned up and let's talk. Alright, well, we'll throw on our gloves here. I know the first thing you're probably thinking is, wow, this guy's vise isn't even screwed into the table. Yeah, I know. Well, so yeah, so I think this will be a pretty cool endeavor. I've been an arborist just for the past season, and it's something that I really enjoy doing. You know, like you all find that one thing that you do and you're good at it. You're passionate about it. You know, I was told, I think a good piece of advice would be, you know, find something that you are so passionate about, you do it for free, which is true. It's very true, for sure. I'm just using just a flat file. Sharpen this thing up. You can get pretty technical with it, I guess. I don't need it. Splits wood, it's sharp, works for me. Yeah, so I've been an arborist for just the past season, the past year, and it's a lot of fun. It's also a lot of work, so I would say to anybody that's looking into becoming an arborist or looking into what it's like, if you're looking to get into a company, first of all, I'd say get into a company that's got more than 2 employees. I got in with a company and I was hired right away and trained as a climber, which was the upside of the job. But the downside was the hands weren't there, you know. So that made things just that much more physical and challenging. You know, we had the gear, like mini skid steer, wood chipper, and all that stuff, but just that much easier, you know, with a couple extra hands. I like the way that's looking. Could probably fine-tune some things on this side. Yeah, I'll definitely get into a lot of other stuff as well, like chainsaw maintenance, sharpening. Apparently I'm really good at sharpening a chainsaw. I was taught by the best though. My uncle taught me how to sharpen a chainsaw, and he's been doing it for, he's probably done it so many times, he could do it in his sleep twice. Yeah, so if there's anything else that we can touch base on, any questions any of these people on YouTube here have, you know, just leave a comment. We'll answer it for sure as best as we can. Let's flip this guy around. This is just a basic, like, this is just a Michigan style axe. I'm not totally familiar with, like, I'm not an axe expert as much as I would like to be, which is, I guess that's slowly occurring. I just got this axe about, well, that wasn't planned, but it was exciting. Let's put this guy right here, actually. Get inside the still 192. It's just it's a Rex saw. It has a scored bore. So I'm planning on rebuilding it, but I'm having a hard time finding some parts for it. So if anybody knows anywhere I can get a cylinder kit for a 192T, that'd be great. Yeah, this axe is, I don't know, I think I paid like $50 for it at Canadian Tire, and all I had to do was sharpen it. Like, it wasn't very sharp from the store, but I just sharpened it with a flat file and put a good edge on it, and like, I've never had an axe before, but it's been great to me. You know, it doesn't owe me a dime. So, yeah, I'm actually planning on finishing this bad boy. You know, I'm gonna sand down the handle, get the clear coat and the stickers off. I'm gonna stain it. I'm gonna put a clear coat over it, and then I'm going to repaint the head. Just why not? I mean, the whole world's shut down, so what else can I do? Yeah, and I'll do a video on that too. Like that'll be fun. You might learn something. That's my goal. If I can teach somebody something, if I can help somebody with something, if I can get somebody to learn something, if I can keep anybody from falling out of a tree, which is the most important thing, then I feel I've done a good job. And I've never actually seen anybody fall out of a tree. No, that's not right. There's a YouTube video that I saw. I'm not going to name him. That wouldn't be very nice, but this guy fell out of a tree, stillborn, and that must have hurt. That must have sucked, because that would not be fun. I gotta keep going on this other side here. I'm just like, what I'm doing here is I'm just sort of starting with the flat file on one side of the saw, starting on one side and slowly working my way over and then back and then over and then back. And I'm trying to, you can see the curves and the angle in the glare on the axe, and I'm just trying to keep it consistent. And if I did 6 swipes on the one side, I'm going to do 6 swipes on the other side. I don't know if that's the way you're supposed to do it. I don't really care, because this way works for me. So probably do a little bit more of an angle. Yeah, that's looking pretty good, actually. Looking pretty good. It's looking sharp. Wouldn't want to mess with that bad boy. Yeah, maybe I'll do one more swipe on this back side. And if you're looking looking for like real good axe advice or axe maintenance, I would go to Buck and Billy Ray's page for sure. He's got some great axe builds and all that sort of stuff. I can cut a little bit more on an angle, and less of an angle on this side. This bad boy over. Yeah, that's looking a little bit better, isn't it now? I'm gonna have to get a workbench where I can bolt down this vise too, because it's sort of annoying having to hold on to it. Is there something I can put underneath here? No, there's not. I'll just hold it, but I'll show you the edge I got going on here now. Can't really see it there, but it's looking pretty good. So anyway, well, hope it was enjoyable. Stay tuned, subscribe, check out some more I got coming up. Peace out.